this weekend, the truck got super dirty from the weddings and the other photo shoots we had out of the city. They were all on gravel roads, and a little bit of wheeling was thrown into the mix. So my friend Trent over at Mirror Image Solutions said, hey, let's go wash the truck. So let's head over there and get the truck cleaned.
I get the money and it's right on cue. Keep the duffel bag up inside my crew. I love you. Wanna be a I get that money on the best.
This one is not flex.
I get that money, I'm a flex. You now rockin' with the best.
Alright, the truck's all clean, and I forgot to get a final shot of the truck outside because I got distracted by this. This is a classic Mercedes. I think it was in the 50s, 1950 or something. We ended up filming, doing a interior restoration, not restoration, but like clean the inside, clean the outside, the trunk, the engine bay, to get it prepped for the auction house. That video will be coming up after this one. I'll get working on that right away. So I did forget to post a final shot of the truck, and the truck is already dirty because it's been a little while since I filmed that until today, putting this video back together. So stay tuned, like, subscribe. Make sure you stay tuned for the classic vehicle detailing, because that one is a lot of work. Yeah. All right.